Thutha wa miaka mingi ya gutangika ni wagi wa motungata makinyaniru ma ugima wa mwiri, riu aikari a Kigumo gicigo-ini kia mbunge gia Githunguri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu mari na gitumi gia gukenerera kumana na kwagirithio ikiro kuria gutanyite kuhanika thibitari-ini wa Kigumo. Mubango uyu rutanyite gukinyanirio ni kambuni ya ukinyaniria ya Safaricom na uria kuhuthira ciringi milioni 47 ugatanywo kwagirithia motungata ma urigitani na gikiro kinene.
As the two foundations, M-Pesa and Safaricom, we believe that businesses can only thrive if communities thrive. It will have enhanced bed capacity, enhanced capacity in terms of the number of mothers, the number of newborns that will benefit from the different services.
Mimi nafurahia hii hospitali kwa maana iko karibu na sisi na tunapata huduma mzuri.
Kurigana na murugamiri wa tafarira Kambuni no Henry Kilonzo, thibitari ukuguneka na waki wa maternity iri kuguna atumia aria maraheo ciana udumwe na moguni ma kuheo mashini cia kiriu cia kuhuthika hari arwaru.
No mother should lose a life should lose a life when giving a birth. We look forward to continued partnership with the Kiambu County under the leadership of His Excellency Dr. Wamatangi.
The patients who will benefit from all the innovations and the improvements that we are going to get, we are going to have a triple of the number of patients that we attend right now.
Sisi wa mama wetu wanatumwa, tuseme kaa ni picha hiyo ya maternity unatumwa nje, na tulisikia kwamba hatuwezi enda maternity ward bila hiyo picha.
Mwena-ini wake minista wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Elias Maina ni ananiria kunyitanira na kambuni ino na ingio ciothe cia andu kiumbe niguo kwagirithia mikarire ya aikari a kaunti ino.
Facility has got a lot of potential. At the moment it is operating in under 30%. So with the improvement that we are going to make in this facility of having a modern maternity theater, having an ambulance, and also equipping our dental unit and equipping all the other units that are here, the X-ray, having new modern X-ray machines.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu no iranire kuiga keheri-ini kigine gia ciringi milioni 100 iri kuhuthika kwagirithia mathibitari. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV